Hi guys, and welcome back to Hazza's Home Kitchen. Today we're going to be trying out Sunny Queen's Feta and Spinach Omelette Roll. These omelette rolls are found in the frozen section in the supermarket, and it says that they're a hand-rolled omelette in a wrap, and you can cook them in the air fryer. So the instructions on the back say put them in the air fryer for 15 to 16 minutes on 160. So we're going to give them a go and see how they turn out. Okay, so we've taken the omelette rolls out of the packet and now we're going to put them in the air fryer at 160 for about 15 to 16 minutes. Okay, so we've taken the omelette rolls out of the packets and they're in the air fryer, and we're going to set them on their way for about 15 to 16 minutes on 160. So we've got the omelette rolls in the air fryer at 160 for 15 minutes. So we'll see how they go. Okay, so the omelette rolls have been in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. Got a minute to go, so we'll see what they're like when it finishes. Okay, so the omelette rolls have finished in the air fryer, and that's what they look like. So let's take them out and give them a go and see what they taste like. Okay, so breakfast is served straight out of the air fryer. Who would have thought that would happen? Okay, so we're going to give it a taste test and see what it's like. Tastes pretty good for a frozen breakfast. Give them a go and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please check out the other two videos over that side, and please hit the subscribe button down below. Would be greatly appreciated. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.